Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unfreeze columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so as you can see in this project management sheet and this project management table, column A, which is the task column, is frozen currently. So if I scroll to the right, column A doesn't move anywhere. And this can be useful, but you might want to unfreeze this column or another column you have frozen. And it's really easy to do. All you have to do is click on the view option here in the menu bar, then select freeze. And as you can see, to unfreeze a column, we have to select no columns frozen. And as you can see now, if I scroll, column A is not frozen anymore. Let's undo this, and I will also show you that if you right click on the frozen column and select view more columns actions, you can also select unfreeze column here, and then column A will be unfrozen. So now this is how to unfreeze columns or a column in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.